Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the system in this Nissan Cabstar. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then, from any screen, it's on the nav there, click the menu, onto the telephone button. It's got no device there, but there's that plus there. As I say, it's quite dark, that plus. So we click the plus, and it's now looking for a phone. Now, when I did this before, it took quite a while, but bearing in mind that this is the latest phone with the latest iOS operating system, and sometimes it takes a while for them to catch up with older models. Barry's iPhone 11 there, so if I click on that and then click pairing with Barry's iPhone 11, we'll click OK. We'll wait for it to hopefully show up on the screen here. It's saying, right, confirm passkey 517587, yes, paired successfully, OK. Right, allow contacts and favorites to sync. I don't want it to, because I won't be using it again, but you will, so you'd allow. I'm going to click don't allow there. But it's showing it's connected.